Go disposable slings with loop attachments. Go disposable slings with loop attachments come in boxes of 10 slings, 5 slings and mixed size boxes of 9 slings. Reusable tape measures are included in the box and instructions are included with each sling. How to select the correct size of a Go disposable sling for your patient. The measurement you need to take to select the correct size of a Go disposable sling is the width at hips measurement. It is not the circumference of the stomach and hips. Once you have taken the width at hips measurement, you can use this chart to see which size of sling your patient needs. The sling's edging are coloured to match red for small, yellow for medium, green for large, purple for extra large, and the tape measures included are also colour coded. So measuring just the hip width shows that this patient needs a medium Go disposable sling. This is correct. If the same patient, however, is measured from one hip around the stomach and then to the other hip, it shows that the patient needs a large Go disposable loop sling. This, however, is incorrect. So once again, measuring the width from one hip to another shows that the patient needs a medium Go disposable loop sling. This is correct. So for this particular patient, the correct size of Go disposable sling is a medium Go disposable sling. Pictured here. This is correct. For the same patient, a wrong size sling would be the large Go disposable sling. Pictured here. And you can see here how being put into the incorrect size of sling, the patient starts to fall through the sling. This again is incorrect. Oversizing or missizing of slings leads to an increased risk of unsafe handling. So just to recap, to select the correct size of a Go disposable sling for your patient, you take a measurement of the width at hips, not the circumference of stomach and hips. And here again is the chart showing which sling to use for which measurement. If you have any questions, please contact the back care team. Their email address is uhd.backcareteam@nhs.net and their telephone number is 01332 789 535.